Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start in Teams, open the desktop or web app and sign in with your account. Once in, navigate straight to the chat, channel, or meeting where the poll was posted, because that's where results link lives. Make sure you locate the original poll message or the Forms tab. This is the first actionable step. Clicking the poll message opens the quick results in line, so do that now to see an immediate summary and prepare to view full details in Forms. Once done opening the poll, click View Results in the message or switch to the Forms tab to open the full survey. You'll land in Microsoft Forms. Use the Responses tab to review the summary charts, counts, and timestamps. That explains how participants voted and when. Make sure to switch between summary and individual views when you need per-person answers. If you analyze why a choice led, compare timestamps and open-ended answers. That context helps finalize by exporting results to Excel using Open in Excel. This gives you raw data and makes filtering or charts simple. You can also copy the form's summary link or download chart images to share with colleagues. Make sure to save or close the poll when finished to prevent more responses if needed. If something goes wrong, for example, no results showed, check who created the poll, verify your permissions, and confirm the poll is in the same team or meeting. That usually fixes access issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.